Is your email marketing falling flat? It's time to ditch generic blasts and embrace the power of personalization. Personalized emails aren't just a trend, they're a revenue driver. Studies show they can boost revenue by up to 5.7 times and are 26% more likely to be opened. Go beyond just names. Segment your audience by behavior and purchase intent. Implement dynamic content and trigger-based workflows for hyper-relevant messages. Don't just track opens. Focus on conversions, customer lifetime value, and churn to truly understand your impact. Continuously A/B test your subject lines and offers. Ready to revolutionize your email marketing? Start implementing these personalization hacks today. Connect with your audience on a deeper level and watch your conversions soar. Liked the video? Hit like, share with your fellow marketers, and subscribe for more powerful email strategies, growth hacks, and tools.